Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you about the few terminologies which is important to understand to describe the Mendelian's law. These terminologies are alleles, the structure which describe about a single character. They are known as allele. These allele may be one or two or more together, then they will be known as traits. If you talk about the traits are two different kinds, homozygous trait and heterozygous trait. If two alleles are similar kind, then it will be homozygous trait. If different kinds of the alleles together, maybe two or more than two, then it should be known as the heterozygous trait. Another terminology related to our Mendelian's law, that is the P generation. P generation is a parental generation. The parental generations have a ability to cross after making the gametes. Another terminology is used to describe the Mendelian's law, the filial generation 1, which comes out after the crossing of parental generation gametes to form the offspring that will be known as the F1 generation or filial generation 1. When filial generation 1 traits are crossed themselves, then it should be known as the filial generation 2 or F2 generation after the formation of a different kind of the gametes. Beside these, there are further more terminology being used to describe the Mendelian's law is the offspring found in F1 generation or F2 generation. Their observation can be done with the help of term phenotype or genotype. Phenotype is the morphological appearance and its observation. When we study the offspring's detail by understanding the allelic form, then it should be known as the genotype. These genotypes and phenotypes are describing the what should be the offsprings. There are another terminology which is known as the backcross. When the offspring obtained in F1 generation, they are crossed with the P generations, then that will be the called back generation. In F1 generation, result may be recessive or dominant, similar to the parent or a P generation organisms. In a back cross, we can have a cross either it is a recessive trait or dominant trait. One of the more important terminology is there, that is called the test cross. In F1 generation's offspring result, if we cross with the parental generation recessive character, then such cross will be known as the test cross. Test cross purpose is to identify the recessive characters are present in the our trait or offspring which is found after the crossing. Another process also is involved or terminology is involved, that is called the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is a process through which the gametes are being formed in the different kinds of the gonads which are taking place with the help of the meiosis and mitosis, where the increase or decrease of chromosomes are being observed. Here in gametogenesis, the haploid number of the chromosomes will be present in a cell or in a gamete in respect to the diploid. The purpose of this gametogenesis is to reduce the number of chromosomes to maintain after the crossing to become a diploid form. Thank you everybody. Please like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you all once again.